Hey guys, so I gave it another try. Cut that hole. I turned down the air pressure on the plasma cutter as low as possible, and it did reduce the amount of dross. I did replace one of the bits in the tip, but I don't think it was that badly worn that it was going to be a problem there. I did try this thing. I just quickly rigged it up and tried to run it, and same deal as last time, it just glitched out the computer. This time it actually bombed the laptop. Last time it didn't, so clearly that thing is never going to work for this, but the Hypertherm seems to work pretty well. I tried increasing the speed, and yeah, the stepper motors just can't handle it. You can see that it lost some steps because when it came back around and did the circle, it didn't meet at the same place. You know, like there's a little bit of distortion, you know, on this end where it started, but this one you can see there's a you know, an abrupt discontinuity where it lost a fair few steps. So I have been thinking about a different way to do this, because accuracy isn't as important for this as speed. The lead screw method of driving the carriages back and forth just isn't going to work. So I need something that works faster. And I thought about it after a while. And I said, well, hang on a sec. You know, I've got these belts, you know, various lengths here. Why not just, you know, put you know, freewheeling pulley at one end and the motor at the other end, and I'll get reasonable accuracy. And I did some calculations, and these are, obviously I don't know what the diameter of these ones are, but for a 1-inch diameter wheel, 400 steps per revolution would be about 7 thou of movement per step, which would, you know, be the minimum resolution. Now I can go and put this thing out to quarter stepping, half stepping, you know, like 16 time stepping, and get, you know, some pretty decent resolutions there. But this would be really, really fast. Like, these motors can certainly turn fast enough to, you know, sweep it across the carriage in a couple of seconds. You know, with one of these. So I'm gonna see if I can't adapt this to this carriage. If not, I'll be making a new one. But it also has the advantage in that I can drop one of these two stepper motors that I've got driving the y-axis, because all I would do is I just, you know, have a shaft go all the way across to drive each side of the carriage with a belt, and have it driven off of one end with a stepper motor. In any case, so this is going to get some reworking. I still haven't quite figured out how I can drive this one, but probably what I'll do is I'll just put the belt on the back side and give up a little bit of this edge. It shouldn't be too bad. But apart from that, I'm gonna think about this for a little while. Anyways, wow, hoarse throat. Later, guys.